Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bites from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel. Write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for engaging with more videos. Hope everyone are at good health. Happy Rakshabandhan to all. Being the Rakshabandhan day, today the topic we are talking about is how women can be safe and how women can be independent in their car. And because of the crime increasing on women, a car to your sister or your wife or your mother would be much safer than any other thing, because she's safe in a box. A cab or a metro, anything would be, a car would be end to end. She can start from the home and reach to the office. From office, she can reach home safer in a box. So make sure that all your wife, sister, mother all learn driving. So it's a life skill today, necessary in all cities. So select a driving school which is very near to your house, and make sure whenever you are paying the fees to the driving school, tell that the driving instructor has to teach your sister, mother, brother, anyone, whoever is learning, that they should teach her how to park the car in the house, how to park in a mall, or how to do reverse parking also. And as well teach them driving in traffic, how to handle traffic. So if you tell in advance, it will be better that he will give you a complete thorough training, thorough knowledge about driving the car, and as well how to maintain your car. So when the instructor takes you first, the first person he says is remove your slippers or your footwear and start driving. So make sure don't follow that. The reason is there's an impact when you press the clutch brake with your bare feet. There are a lot of nerves down which will get pressed, and there can be chances that there will be a faster eyesight effect. So make sure you wear your footwear or your shoes and drive. And whenever he's teaching driving, please concentrate. See that whoever the other 2 people or 3 people are driving, see that how the gears are put, 1, 2, 3, 4, how the clutch is pressed, how the brakes are done, how the accelerator is done. The left leg is for a clutch, the right leg is for brake and accelerator. So this is what you have to do, start with. So we will continue the topic of the same thing in the next video. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.